I gotta jump start it. Alright, so she decided not to turn on. It's been sitting for 2 weeks or so. So I'm pretty sure the battery needs to be replaced anyways. It's been starting to get like slow at cranking, so I'm not surprised. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you, that sucked. I don't know why it took so long. I thought the WRX didn't have enough juice in it, but we were able to get it done. I had to do some jerry rigging, but we got it.
She loves me, but just with her eyes. I'm feeling something the words can't describe. There's truth in the silence.
Right, here she is. Ivory in the flesh. Very gross, very dirty, but she's pretty. So that's my drift build for the 2026 season. I'm very excited. I love this car so much. Even with the brand new WRX that I have here. Great car, by the way, much slept on, but it just doesn't compare. I don't know, I love this car. I'm a Nissan boy at heart. I love Nissan, and I just can't get away from this car. It makes me so happy. What we're gonna be doing on this channel is we're gonna be documenting the repairs, the repair process of this vehicle to get it up to drift standards. I'm also gonna be showing you the practice. I'm gonna be practicing, baby. I just built a sim setup with the Moza R3 bundle. I know it's beginner, little entry level, but I'll tell you what, it feels realistic. I think it's gonna get the job done based off what I felt so far. So we're gonna be practicing on that. And once this thing gets closer to being done, we're definitely gonna take that thing out and actually work on our skills with that. I'm a cinematographer, I'm a photographer. I got the Grounded magazine, volume 2, coming out in October. So keep your eyes out on that. Click the link in bio, check out volume 1, and let's get it, guys. I gotta jump start it again.
She loves me, but just with her eyes. I'm feeling something the words can't describe.
We brought back up. What? How you gonna flip them off like that, bro? I can't. Apologize. No. On that field, you did what we were supposed to. You got it from the front, I got it from the back. Pause on that. But needless to say, we went in there, got it done. Tight. Anyways, Mr. Braden, I appreciate the assistance. Just, for once.
Yeah, bitch.
I appreciate it for once. You finally helped me out.
For the one time listen, he was kind of like asking for some help. Just saying, like, look.
Nobody was asking for help. What are you talking about?
You want to show them the DMs? Yeah, that's what I thought. He'll call me back.
That's how I know bro is a snitch. He is spilling all the beans.
If you my homie, then yeah.
Anyways, eventually we're gonna swap out the battery. I'm probably not gonna swap it out anytime soon. I mean, I got plenty of time.
He does not give a shit about his car.
That's cap. That's cap. Well, actually, I should probably get a battery so I can test drive it, make sure there's no oil leaks and stuff.
It still work? Still good?
Yes, it works. Oh my gosh, get a load of this guy, dude.